Hello, good morning, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Barberong Becky. For more than 6 or 7 months, ngayon lang ako ulit nakapag-upload ng video guys due to I'm always busy at work and busy sa travel. So, eto, I'm happy that I'm back guys. And for today's video guys, I'm going to show you the beauty of Slima at papakita ko sa inyo yung mga magagandang places dito sa Slima. But before that, time check muna tayo guys. It's 7:12 in the morning, so medyo maaga ang pasok ko kasi may training ako ngayon dito sa Tinya Point. And 6 o'clock pa lang in the morning ay gumising na ako, nagayak, nag-prepare at nag-travel going here. So guys, stay tuned, and before that guys, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, Barberong Becky. Comment and like, and please spread kindness to everyone at Diyos. I mean, spread nyo naman guys ang aking videos para dumami ang aking subscriber at help nyo ako guys, okay? Thank you so much and have a good Wednesday to each and everyone because today is Wednesday. So happy Wednesday guys. Please click do subscribe. Bye. Thank you. Hello, Starbucks. So I'm here now guys in our training center and let me show you our training room guys. Here we go. Here we go.
Kasi masarap yun.
Puro ka masarap. So ayan na nga guys. Natapos ng aming training. So papunta na kami sa aming designated branches. So I'm with Arvin
Hello!
and with
Assalamualaikum.
Jillian. So thank you for watching guys and I hope you will subscribe my YouTube channel which is
Hi!
Barberong Becky and
Barberong Becky and... Hindi, balikan mo muna. wala na sa glorify ko.
It's okay. And see you to my next vlog guys. I hope you will like it and keep on watching. Keep on watching guys. Thank you so much. I hope you do subscribe my YouTube channel once again. And thank you so much. See you next time guys. Bye. Say bye.
Bye!